In this video, we will see how to use Wingdings font in Excel. What is the use of Wingdings fonts? Okay, so let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I maintain here some data of student, 10 class student. I want to just mention here right right click and cross tick, right tick and cross tick. If Sanjay attain the paper one, then I tick the right tick. If he not attain the paper number 2, I will cross tick. Okay, how will get the cross and right tick? I will fill this all cell in right and cross tick. Let's start. Just select the range of cell where you want to tick mention, and go on font selection. Click on theme of fonts and click on the Wingdings 2. Okay, when you select the Wingdings 2, and here you press the P in scap, you can see here the right click issue. If you press the capsule, you see here cross tick. See, I just want to copy this data by Control D. I just want to copy, select the cell, and just press Control D. Hmm? Sorry, copy. Just press Control D. That's it. I want to cross tick in any and cross tick of somewhere where the student not attend the paper. This is a way you can use the Wingdings fonts for right tick and cross tick. That's it. Thank you. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel